channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to review / demo Soap Square products. Basically, these are all hair care products that I'm talking about. So it is going to be a hair care routine using only Soap Square products. There are no stylers in this routine. It's just about how I wash, what I use, and how I use the clay mask. And also I have I have set of products. So guys, to start off with, if you don't know the brand Soap Square is a women-led brand. It's been in the market for like past 5 years, I guess, and I have only recently known about them. A really good brand. They're really known for their cold press soaps and also known for their shampoo bars. Also, I used one of the shampoo bars, so that's what we're going to talk about. So to start off with, I am going to start off this demo and review with their Moringa, Rosemary and Peppermint shampoo bar. This is an anti-dandruff shampoo bar. I'm so sorry guys, I don't have the shampoo bar right now because I completed it off and it is broken into pieces, but then I'll put the picture here so that you know what I'm talking about. So this shampoo bar is really good. I usually do not trust shampoo bars from different brands because I have used shampoo bars from other brands as well. There are few bars which worked amazingly well and then there are few which didn't work for me. So when I got the shampoo bar, I was really not having any expectations on it because I really didn't want to have high expectations, but then when I tried the shampoo bar, it is really good, I must say, and also it lathers really well. That is one of the biggest pro for a shampoo bar, because sometimes when the shampoo doesn't lather, it's fine with me, but when the shampoo bar doesn't lather, it kind of leaves so much of grease, it doesn't clean well. I still feel there's a lot of buildup on my scalp and hair, but this one really cleanses well and it lasts you a long time. I don't know if you can share your shampoo bars, but I usually share it with my sisters, so they used it and they really liked it as well. So definitely try out the shampoo bars from them. I really like them, and the shampoo bar didn't and also please keep in mind that it didn't dry out my scalp or hair. So if you're using a shampoo bar on heavily oiled hair, make sure you're using it twice because you want to get rid of all the oil like you do with your shampoo. And if you're using it on mildly oiled or just scalp massaged hair, I think it is great with one wash as well. Usually in my hair care routine, my routine starts with oiling my hair. My routine doesn't start in the bathroom with the shampoo bar or the shampoo. My routine usually starts off with oiling my hair, and for me oiling hair is so important that it has been in our family, it's been since childhood, so we never skip oiling our hair, and it has been a really great it has been a really great habit because in our family most of us have curly hair and it is extremely dry, so oiling definitely helps. One such really nice oil for your pre-shampoo treatments can be this one. This is the 7 Herbs Ayurvedic oil, so it is filled with all the herbs. If you can see, I completed the product, guys. Like, this review is coming after emptying most of the products that I have. So this is the 7 Herbs Ayurvedic oil, and all the herbs are here, right here. And I think it consists of coconut oil, bringraj oil, amla oil, avarampu, vetiver, sampangi seeds, idampuri, balampuri, amla and rose stick. So this one contains all of them and I really like it. This one is a really nice conditioning oil. And guys, whenever I'm using this 7 Herbs hair oil, I mixed their onion oil. This is purely onion oil. This one, it smells like onion. Like, you have to be so careful with this one because it is very much potent. It is very much concentrated onion oil. You need very little amount of it or your entire head will smell like onions. So try to use it in any other hair oils you have. You can mix them. Whenever I used this oil or whenever I used regular coconut oil, I mixed few drops, few drops of onion oil. I don't think I'll have to mention especially what are the advantages of onion oil because people are behind onion oil, but then this one is really potent. It's not just namesake. There are many products that are namesake, like onion shampoo, onion this, that, but then this is the potentest onion oil you can find. And definitely, if you are a fan of onion oil and if you think onion oil helps you with hair growth, I think you should definitely check out this onion oil. Make sure you use very little amount of it in your regular oils. It will help you a lot. Like a pre-shampoo treatment, because it is kind of a heavy oil, but then it really helps you with detangling your hair and giving your hair a good pre-shampoo treatment. So always start off with this one. A good oil is very important in your hair care routine. Curly, straight, wavy, whatever hair types you have, always include an oil. So that's with the oil. So now moving on to the conditioning. So they do not have conditioners as such as a product, but then they have amazing scalp treatments and also clay treatments. So one such treatment I have is this Moroccan Rosol clay and rosemary. So this one is a clay, and it smells so good. It has this essence of rosemary and I really like it. So Rosol clay is very much known for its detoxing properties, and also it helps you a lot with cleansing your scalp, face. I mean, these clays are very much multi-purpose, but then I don't know if you can apply rosemary on your face, but then for your scalp, this helps really well. Rosemary is really known for its soothing properties and also hair growth stimulation. So this one, I have used it as a conditioner. I'll show you a DIY here, what I did with this clay. For me, for it to act as a deep conditioner slash a conditioner, a clay conditioner. I didn't use it as a detox mask, but I used it as a conditioner, and it did extremely well, because I am used to using clays as a detox mask, like how people usually use the clay and then mix it with some apple cider vinegar and apply it to the scalp to detox. But then I wanted to try something different this time, and I have used it that way, and trust me guys, it worked so well that I didn't actually apply any kind of stylers on my hair. I don't know if you would believe me or not, but that's what happened. So I didn't use any kind of stylers after using this conditioner. It left my hair so beautiful. And also let me tell you something, if you're looking for a skip day, if you have a skip day in your routine where you don't apply any kind of stylers on your hair and you just want to use natural products and let your hair take it in and breathe, I think this is the most natural you can get to try, and the most natural you can get on hair. So after the conditioning of my hair, I went ahead and air dried my hair. But then there is one step that you can do to your hair, that is using a hydrosol. Hydrosol is nothing but a diluted water a concentration from certain herbs, flowers, leaves, whatever it can be. And this hydrosol is of rosemary. It is great, and also it helps you a lot. As I told you, rosemary helps in soothing your scalp, itchy scalp, and also helps with hair growth stimulation. You can always use such hydrosols in kind of soothing your scalp after shower, and also you can use it for refreshing your scalp as well. You can use such hydrosols in refreshing your scalp, your hair, and whenever you feel itchy. Sometimes people after working out, they have a lot of sweat on scalp. So for you to reduce such kind of sweat or itchiness, you can use such hydrosols, and this one is of rosemary, but I guess they have different type of hydrosols on their website. Definitely check out them. You just need to give few pumps of it on your scalp and give it a good massage and let it air dry, and you'll feel so good. And also, it's not mandatory that you use these hydrosols only on washed hair. You can use them on your oiled hair as well, whenever you want and whenever you feel like. So yes, this is it with these products. If you're someone who is looking for products that are preservative free or very much away from preservatives and any chemical ingredients, I think these are the products that you should go for, and let me know if you like this review. And also guys, I have a discount code with them. You can use my code SumaAmjuri for 10% off on their website. You can buy, there is no minimum order value as such. You can just use my code and get some 10% off. And also I hope this video helps you. I'll definitely try to make or try to use more of their products and get back to you. But then I hope this video helps. If you have any other questions, you can definitely leave in the comments below. I'll get back to you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I shall see you in my next one.